In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello to save articles, a handy skill for managing your reading and research tasks efficiently. Let's dive in and learn how you can organize your reading list easily. First, open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, find the login option at the top right corner and click on it. You can choose to sign in with your email, or if you prefer a quicker login, use your Google account. This makes accessing your boards and projects even easier. After you've logged into Trello, navigate to the Boards section. Here, you're going to create a new board specifically for saving articles. Click on Create New Board and give your board a name that resonates with its purpose, like Article Management or simply Reading List. Once you've chosen a name, go ahead and click on Create to make your new board come alive. Now that your board is set up, it's time to organize it with lists. Click on Add List and create your first list. Let's call it To Read. This list will serve as a placeholder for articles you want to get to soon. Next, create two more lists. Research for those articles you need for ongoing projects, and referenced for pieces you have already utilized and referenced in your work. Once your lists are established, it's time to start adding your articles. Hit Add a Card under your To Read list. Go to the website of an article you're interested in and copy its title. Head back to your Trello board and paste the title into the card name. With your new card created, click on it to open up more options. Inside the card, you'll want to add the article's URL to keep everything handy and organized. Copy the URL and paste it into the description section of the card. After you've added the URL, be sure to click on Save so nothing gets lost. If you prefer, you can also use the attachment function. By clicking on attachment, you can paste the article link directly, which provides an easy access point from the card itself. Once that's done, hit Insert to save the attachment. For an extra layer of organization, Trello allows labels on cards. Click on Labels within the card to give it a color that corresponds to its status or importance. Select a color and name your label accordingly, then save your changes. This visual cue will help you streamline and prioritize your articles at a glance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can keep track of all your articles in one place. It not only helps in organizing, but also enhances the efficiency of accessing the information when needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your reading and research management a breeze with Trello.